Today for dinner, I am making a chicken Caesar bake. So let's get to it. I'm going to start by just spraying my pan real quick. Now I'm going to put some of my Caesar dressing in the bottom of my pan. And then I'll add 2 of my chicken breasts cut horizontally. You can also use chicken thighs if you like, but I like breasts. And you can also, you don't have to cut them horizontally, but I like that as well. So, and they cook faster. Go wash. Now I'm going to add more Caesar salad dressing on top of my chicken, as well as some pepper. You don't need to add a bunch of spices to this meal because there's spices in some of the ingredients I'm putting in. Push that to the side for now. Now in this bowl, I'm going to add, actually, you get some croutons. I'm using garlic and butter croutons. And you want to smash them pretty good. They don't have to be perfect. And you just add those to the bowl. Melt 1 stick of butter and add it to the croutons. As well as some Parmesan cheese. Now I don't really have a recipe for this, I'm just kind of winging it. And then we'll just give that a stir. Make sure everything is coated in the butter. This is such an easy recipe, you guys. It's another twist on chicken Caesar salad. Alright. I'm going to put a little bit of bacon bits inside here as well. Give it a stir. Alright, bring my chicken back. Now I'm going to put this all on top of my chicken. Get all those little pieces out of here. Add a little bit more bacon. Not too much because you don't want it really salty. A little bit more Parmesan. And a bit more pepper. That's it, guys. Easy peasy. Into a 350 oven for 15 minutes and I'll be back. All right, let's go see how this turned out. Oh, wow. Looks delicious. Smells so good. Have to let it cool for a couple minutes. All right, it's time for a taste. I'm gonna eat it right out of the pan. It smells so good. I'm gonna try to get all the stuff with it. Oh, hot, hot. Mmm. Mmm. I love the crunch. Mmm. Wow, that's good. The big and the small croutons kind of make it. It's so good. I am going to serve this over some romaine lettuce. I actually think this is going to be the new chicken Caesar salad for my family. It has everything in it. It has the bacon, crouton, parmesan, chicken, the dressing. It has everything you need in here. And then you add romaine and it's just perfect. It's just perfect. You guys got to make this. And when you do, let me know if you add anything else to this. I can't see anything else being added. Like everything's there. But let me know. And we'll see you later.